Today, we're celebrating something truly special. How to Have Fun Camping would like to congratulate our sister channel, How to Have Fun Outdoors, on reaching 5 incredible years on YouTube. With over 250,000 subscribers and more than 12 million views, it's been an amazing journey of adventure, travel, and unforgettable memories. With one mission: to help you find your next adventure. Are you planning your next vacation? Looking for destination ideas? Or searching for your next adventure? Then this is your Vacation Idea channel. If you're looking for your next vacation idea, make sure to subscribe to How to Have Fun Outdoors. If you love RV reviews, camping tips, and looking for best camping destinations, then you will love our latest videos. Old School Van Life, Best Campground in Georgia, and 2026 Coachman Euro Motorhome. So you never miss a video, don't forget to subscribe to How to Have Fun Camping.